Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I refresh up my wigs and protect my hair under my wig. So I wanted to come on here and show you live footage of how my wigs look after about 2 weeks. This is live footage. Like I just came home from the gym, and as you can see, my closure is no longer blended. My edges are super frizzy. And if you look closely, you'll also see build up from edge control and just makeup getting in my roots. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys how I protect my hair and freshen this up, and also how I switch my parting with my closure wigs. So I'm going to begin by taking down those 2 anchor braids in the front. If you haven't seen my video on how I do my braid down and install the wigs, I'll make sure to leave that down below for you to check out. And then this is a follow-up after 2 weeks. So I'm taking down those 2 anchor braids in the front of my hair, and then I'm just going to take a wide tooth comb and detangle the hair thoroughly. I mean, it's not that much hair, so it's not a lot to detangle, but I'm just gonna, make sure everything's detangled. And then off camera, I'm going to lightly shampoo and condition that little bit of hair that I left out, making sure not to get the rest of my hair wet, but removing all of that buildup that we saw in the front of my head. Then I'm going to take some leave-in conditioner. This is by Curls, and I'm just going to pump some of that into my hand and then rub it through that hair in the front. And then I'm going to take some hair oil. I'm using the Wild Grow, and I'm going to massage this into my scalp and along my edges. When you're sewing your wigs down, you definitely want to make sure that you protect those edges and treat them as much as possible. So the great thing that I love about this braiding pattern is that I can switch up my parting. So I can go back to a side part, a deep side part, a light side part. I can switch it to the other side, or like I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to do a middle part. When you wear closure wigs, you kind of limit it with the parting space, but this braiding pattern allows me to switch up my parting space without having to redo the entire base of my head. So again, if you haven't seen my install video and how I do my braiding pattern, I will definitely link that below. But now I'm basically just redoing those anchor braids. I have my part down the center, and then I'll lay my wig against that part there. So yeah, I'm just going to continue to braid down these anchor braids. And so depending how itchy the rest of my hair is, I'll take some sea breeze. This is just an astringent, and I'll run it through those braids just to kind of cleanse my scalp. I do go to the gym, so this kind of helps just cleanse it from like sweat and all that other stuff. My mom has been doing this for years, and it's just something that I picked up on. And then I'm also going to take some more of that oil and run it through my braids in the back. And again, I do this every 2 weeks. After I reach like 4 weeks of my hair being braided down, I'll usually just take it down and redo it, wash my hair and redo them. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Then I'm going to go ahead and install my wig. This is actually a 4-lace wig, but I still kind of wear my 4-lace wig as like a closure wig and sew it down. If you want more details and a better walkthrough of how I sew my wig down, I will link those videos down below. But yeah, that is it. This is how I touch up and freshen up my wigs and protect my hair underneath. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.